Okay, you might have some cool Ray-Bans, but do you have some James Bond cool Ray-Bans? Stick around, I'll tell you what I'm talking about. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is Raf Reviews. I am Raf. On this channel we say don't spend your hard-earned money on something that may not fit your needs. Let me try it out for you first, help you decide whether or not it's something that you want to buy. Today's review is not sponsored. I purchased this product on my own, so let's go ahead and get started. Today we're taking a look at the Ray-Ban and Meta-Wayfarer sunglasses. So inside the box you get the case, which is a charging case. It does have a port on the back, and the sunglasses themselves. Okay, so what's so amazing about these sunglasses? All right, so just your normal style type of Ray-Ban sunglasses with a little bit of an extra kick on them. So these are, like I said, they're made with Meta. They do have an app. So first things first, they are Bluetooth enabled. So I can go ahead and play some music if I want. So right now I have music playing through here. And according to the volume, so let me put here. So this is a comfortable listening level for me. I can still hear what's going on around me, but I also hear the music that's playing right now. So I'm going to be quiet for a second to see if you pick it up for the mic. Obviously for copyright reasons, if it does pick up on the mic, I'll just let you know if it picks up on the mic. And if not, then there won't be any comment there. So 3, 2, 1. Okay, and you see how far away the mic is from the headpieces. So great, I can listen to music. Awesome, with my ears open, but what else do we have going on? So if I reach to the side here and I press this button, you'll see that little light that flashes there. I just took a picture. So let me take a picture with these, and then I'll take a picture with my iPhone, just so you can kind of see the difference between the iPhone photo and the eyeglass photos. So that's not the only thing you can do. You can also record a 1-minute video. So if you hold down the button, you'll see that it is now glowing, and that's just kind of like so people know if you're taking a video or anything. And this is what the video looks like. And then you just press the button again and it'll stop recording. So like I said, it'll record a 1-minute video. So yeah, I mean, it's a gadget. I'm a gadget guy. I like those kind of things. I enjoy it. I mean, of course, I can always just take out my phone and take a picture, but also I can just look at what I'm seeing and just reach up real quick, press the button, and done. Picture's taken. So the camera is a 12 megapixel camera. Like I said, it can take 1 minute of video, but you can also live stream with them also through the app. So for the image acquisition, it's 3024 by 4032 pixels, and video acquisition is 1440 by 1920 at 30 frames per second. So it also has the built-in assistant from Meta. So you just say, hey Meta, what's the weather? So when it comes to the battery is rechargeable and it will last 4 hours off of a single charge. And for memory, it's 32 gigabytes of flash memory. So they say it'll store about 500 plus photos and 100 plus 30-second videos. These are compatible with iPhone and also with Android. I haven't seen any issues with functionality with an iPhone. I don't have an Android, so can't test it on there. But then you'll see we can go into the app. So when we look at our app, it's called Meta View. Here we can see what our battery percentage is. You can also make phone calls or send Facebook messages through the phones. They are connected with Spotify also, so if you have Spotify, you can just touch the side and it'll open up Spotify music for you. So it stores the photos on the glasses until you open the app. We can hit import. And then, of course, like I mentioned, it comes with a case. This case does charge your glasses, so it can charge them while they're in the case, and then the case can get recharged itself. So inside the earpiece here, you have your power on off switch. Slide them in the case, it'll click in place and then start charging. So do you need these glasses? No, but they're pretty nice. I will say that. I think I saw that you can actually order them with prescription inserts. These ones I just bought off the shelf. I may take a look at what the cost would be to have some prescription glasses. And there's a bunch of different styles also. I'll put the link to the website for them so you can learn more and see the different styles that are on there. So again, they're just a gadget, but I think they're pretty neat. For me alone, just having the ability to take calls, listen to music, and not have something in my ears is great for me. You know, the camera and the video is just a bonus. One thing that I wish, so as you see with the video, it's taking it portrait style. You can't take it landscape. The other thing that I wish is that, you know, maybe some kind of reticle or something came up in the eyeglass so you could see where the camera was pointing. You know, because I might be looking here, but you know the camera's off to the side, so my picture might be a little bit off. But you know, I'm not trying to take professional photos with it, so I think it'll be all right. Okay, if you have any other questions about these glasses, please drop them down in the comment section. I'll try to answer them for you to the best of my ability. If you found the video enjoyable, please go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. If you want to see more content, just go ahead and subscribe. And if you hit that little bell, you'll get a notification anytime a new video releases. If there's anything else that you want reviewed, please put that down in the comment section. If you do, please put down something specifically that you want me to test on the product for you. I'll try to get my hands on that product and get it tested for you. Other than that, we'll see you next time. Bye.